Hey, do you love using your Bitmoji in your marketing? I absolutely love it. And today I want to show you a couple quick hacks with how I use my Bitmoji, specifically how to get it in pictures really easily. And then I just want to go over a list of other places that I use my Bitmoji. Keep watching if you want to see a few of my hacks with Bitmojis. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Now, I'm keeping things super practical with you today. I'm in my car in the drive-up pickup line for my son at school. But while I'm here, I want to show you these hacks because this is how we work our businesses in the little random moments that we have. So let me pop over to my phone and show you tutorial-wise how to insert your Bitmoji really easily into pictures so you can use those in your posts and stories. Okay, so let me show you how easy it is to get your Bitmoji on pictures. Okay, so first let's go to Bitmoji. Okay, so if you don't have the app, this is what it looks like, Bitmoji. And I'm just gonna type in yum. You'll see why I'm doing this in a moment. So I'm gonna click save this little girl, save image. Okay, so I do that first. So I have her saved on my camera roll. Now I pop over to Facebook and I'm just gonna go to one of my groups called Mom Life Convos, and I'm gonna create a post. Okay, I'm gonna share a recipe post. Okay, but I want the Bitmoji girl to be on this. Okay, so here is some pumpkin protein bars. So let me get the text in there for you. Okay, they're absolutely delicious. This is my group, Mom Life Convos, where I run my business for Amari, the mental wellness company. Check out these videos if you're curious about working with me in network marketing. But so anyways, all I'm gonna do is click the edit button. And then here, after I click the edit button, I'm gonna click the little sticker, okay, that has the smiley face. And I click that, and then I'm gonna click this circle button where I can overlay a picture. Okay, now I have an entire YouTube video on how to overlay pictures, specifically for your stories. So check out this video, but I'm gonna click this button, and then I'm gonna click this little girl, and I can position her. Now, my hack for you is if you don't wanna use this picture exactly in Facebook, all you gotta do is, boom, take a screenshot of it, and then I can just resize it. Boom, now I have the saved picture. So if I don't even want to post this, if I want to use it for somewhere else, I can, but within seconds I've added the Bitmoji onto the picture. Okay, and then I have this here, and then I can post it, or I could schedule it out in the Facebook group. Okay, so that's how to insert the Bitmoji onto, say, just a regular picture that you want to use. Okay, another example is in your stories. So if we go over to stories, you click the plus sign. Again, here, you could take any picture, so we could take the same protein bars. I'm using 2 fingers to zoom it out, fill the full space. I have a lot more tutorials on stories, so check out these if you want more ideas on story tips. But again, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna click this little picture button. It's gonna open up my camera roll, and now I could go here, and I could say, want this, I'm gonna add in a poll button, boom, good to go. So that's really quickly how I'm inserting my Bitmoji all the time into pictures, and then I'm using these pictures other places. You can also do the same thing if you have the Canva app. You open up Canva, you click the plus sign on any design, you're gonna go over to uploads, and then if I upload a file, if I go straight from my photo library, it's gonna grab this, and then you're gonna see this uploads, and it's uploading it without the background, okay? So this is just on my phone. It makes it super easy. So then if I go back here, say I want to insert her onto it, now she's inserted and she doesn't even have a background. So there you have it. And while we're here, if you haven't seen this video on how to increase your Facebook group engagement, head on over and check it out. I hope that was helpful. Some other places that I love using my Bitmoji is in cover photos. So you can see here in my group, Create Stories That Sell, which if you're not in it, please join. It's a free group for marketing, and I'm gonna teach you all the tips and tricks that I know to help you win on social media. But I use it in the cover photo here. I use it on my YouTube banner. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do if this video helps you. And then I also use it in text message marketing. So you can see here, here's a text that I just sent out to a bunch of customers with monthly specials. Now, if you're not using SMS text message marketing in your business and you want to know how, check out this video because I'm going to teach you more about it. Another place that I love to use my Bitmoji and just keep things fun and playful is like on sales page websites. So if you are curious how to do that or how to build a sales page yourself, check out these two videos. I'm going to show you how to build a homepage website on Canva. It's totally free, and then also how I do that with sales pages. And then another really fun way to use my Bitmoji is for my members. So in the Parisi Pack marketing membership, which if you haven't seen this video, I give you a sneak peek inside the pack. I use my Bitmoji all the time, and a lot of the trainings that I have in there that are 5-minute quick actionable trainings are all accessible by app. So here you can see a picture of the courses that I have available, and note on the front of them, Bitmojis. So I hope you found this video helpful today. If you would like more marketing tips, head on over to www.stephanieparisi.com, where you can check out the pack membership. You can hop in the Create Stories That Sell group. You can take a free quiz if you're a network marketer and you want to learn how to grow your business in 30 days and more. Thanks for watching today. And before you hop off my channel, feel free to check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win. And I'll be back next week with another new video.